Hi, Theresa here, lady car salesman, coming to you from Merrill Ford Okemos. I am sitting here with our all-new redesigned 2020 Escape. The one I'm showing you today is a titanium, nice and fully loaded. We're going to go over some of the technology today. We have our nice audio controls here set into the piano black detailing. Most people know what these buttons are. Sound, seeking, play, pause, volume, tune. Then we have this one button right here. Some people think that's mute. In fact, it's not. One of the things is we start adding all of these screens, everything's digital. I've got heads-up display, I've got central digital display, I've got 8-inch touch screen, everything's going on. Not everybody needs everything to be in their face all the time. We hit this button and it goes down to what we call a Clam Screen. It's going to show us temperature of the vehicle, it's going to show us the time, and also the date. Very simple. If you want to simplify it even more than that, press it again. It's totally off. We can either touch the button or tap the screen and get everything right back.